We'll guide you through how to turn off restricted mode on any iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With restricted mode enabled and turned on an iPhone, it's going to go and limit what you can do. For example, maybe you can only spend a certain amount of time on apps, only certain features can be accessed, and even some settings can't be changed with enabled as well. So we'll guide you through how you can go and disable it and turn it off. So to go and get started with this, it's much easier than you think. What you need to do is go and open up the settings app on your iPhone like so. In here, you then need to go and scroll down like this, and you need to go and find the option for screen time. As you can see, here it is, go and tap on it. Now we're going to start seeing different things here. For example, we've got app limits, and you've also gone and got content and prior restrictions. You've got these other options as well. So for example, let's say it was content and prior restrictions. This is going to be the main thing. App limits comes into it as well. So what you can do is individually go and change these settings by tapping them, and you can then press allow changes. We then ask for the passcode there. Or you can go and just completely turn them all off at the top and you'll ask for the passcode. So if you know it, go and enter it. If you don't know it and you can't remember it, I'll show you how to reset it. If you didn't go and set it up, you have to get the person who did set it up to go and turn it off by entering the passcode. You can come to app limits and go and turn them off as well. Now, if you've gone and forgotten the passcode, you need to come down to change screen time passcode. You can just go and turn it off, but to change it, tap there. And then at the bottom, you can press forgot, and you can then go and reset it with your Apple ID password and account. So that's it. You can then go through there once you've gone and got the passcode and go and turn these off. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.